Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So today is Tablescape Tuesdays and I'm so excited. It's my favorite time of the week, so let's do this, guys. Okay, so Tablescape Tuesdays is being hosted by the ladies of Elegance. It is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, any color, theme, or style. So I'm going to be linking the Ladies of Elegance, which is Amethyst Adventures, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Our channel links down below in the description box, along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch our videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to Tablescape Tuesday, guys, the playlist, because you don't want to miss it. Now guys, that lantern I have on the table is absolutely gorgeous, but once you light a candle, it gets really hot, and that's why I had to move the arrangement over a little bit. Just saying. Now I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit of music as I go ahead and finish putting this tablescape together for you, so I'll see you at the end. Now guys, we did have a couple of days where the weather was like between 75 and 80 degrees, and that's why my tablescape is out here on the porch. think it looks beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I did want to take a moment and thank all of you who participate in the collab, either by joining in or by watching. You don't know how much we are so grateful for you. And we want to also spread the news to other people who might not know about Tablescape Tuesdays. So let's share the love, guys. Let's grow and let's shine. So my Nala decided to make an appearance. Isn't she gorgeous? She loves it when I film. I think it came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.